Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to replace the rear wiper blade on your 16 to 23 Subaru Imprezas. So you just pull the blade up like this, and then you just kind of bend it, boom. This thing can pop right off. I'm going to use my second hand, and I'm just going to push it out, and you'll be ready to put the new one on. I'm going to give you a close-up so you can see exactly how this thing goes. So you just keep turning it, and then as it pops out, you can see there's just a little slot where it sticks itself in there. And the tension from this pushing against the glass is what holds it in place. So pretty easy, pretty simple. We'll get this other one and we'll turn it and put it in. So here is the old blade, and then here's the new one. And it comes with all these different adapters so that it fits, you know, your vehicle. So you're gonna wanna pick the one that looks the closest to that, and for me it looks like it's going to be this one. It's nice and flat, just like that one is, no extra stuff on it. So I'm going to take this piece off. You just push this up and squeeze it, and it comes right off. So what I'm going to do now is just take the new unit and push it over there like we took the other one off, and we're going to kind of bend it into place, and it should grab it. There we go, boom. Let's see, ready to go. And so now we can use our rear wiper again. This other one was getting kind of worn out. It was making streaks and all that, and my wife complained. So now I'm gonna be nice and I'll clean up her back windshield for her. But yeah, super easy install. You can do it in less than a minute. That's about how long it took me. Most of the time was just yapping at you guys. Yeah, do this yourself. Don't pay somebody. But yeah, you guys know what's up. Since I was talking about being nice to my wife and cleaning the glass here, I'm gonna show you what I use. Just get the invisible glass. You can get that just about anywhere. I've got my little fancy thing here. Just gonna spray this, give it a nice wipe over. It should be as good as new. All right, much better. Wife's gonna be happy. She'll be able to use her rear wiper, and this thing's nice and clean. Anyway, you guys have a good weekend. We will talk to you later.